Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making mashed potato served in an interesting manner. For this recipe we will need potatoes, water, salt, pepper, paprika, egg, cheese and butter.
Cut 4 peeled potatoes into cubes. Cover the potatoes in water and cook them to a soft consistency. Pour all of the water out. Now we need to mash the potatoes. Don't mash them with a blender because the potatoes will taste bad and be slimy.
Into the mashed potato we add in the salt. We used 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, a little bit of black pepper. If you want to, you can put in cayenne pepper. Place in 50 grams of unsalted butter.
Place the potatoes into a bowl so they will cool faster. In the meantime, using a grater, grate 100 grams of cheese. You can use mozzarella or any kind of cheese that you want. When the potatoes have cooled, you can add in an egg and mix well.
Please share our videos on your social platforms, so if someone likes it and wants to make it, we will be happy. Right now we add in shredded cheese into the mashed potatoes. Mix the ingredients well with a spatula or spoon.
We place this mass into a piping bag with a French star tip and place the mass in a heart shape onto a silicone mat. If you don't have a tip, then you can just use the bag end, but then you won't have the frills. You don't have to use a heart shape. It can be a flower shape or an animal shape. Just turn on your creativity and make what you want.
Place the cooking tray in the preheated oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the mashed potatoes to a golden crust. Our cooking time was 12 minutes, but yours will depend on your oven. We decorated this dish with smoked salmon in the form of a rose and fresh mint leaves.
This dish can be served for a holiday. We are making this dish for a romantic dinner with fresh vegetables and berries. For dessert, the famous dessert pavlovoi has been tweaked to our taste. This recipe will soon be out on our channel, so don't miss it.
You can decorate these potatoes differently. We hope that you will cook with us and make your friends and family happy with your cooking.
Please subscribe to our channel and also drop a like. We will be very appreciative of that. To all the people who already subscribe to us and already like our videos and watch them, thank you very much. We appreciate you so much.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.